You know how much custom, stainless steel metal decoration was used in this high-end sales center, which cost 30 million to achieve its top-tier spatial quality. Let's follow us today. The entire facade of this sales center is built around a stainless steel architectural style, from ceilings and curtain walls to the entrance canopy. Inside the reception area, we custom-built 5 stainless steel shelving system, combined with warm wood finishes, balancing warmth, structure, and long-term durability. Here is a custom stainless steel bar, large area stainless steel cladding, with seamless welded construction. Rounded stainless steel corners, designed for public safety. Behind the bar, a custom stainless steel wine rack and bookshelf system is installed. The back panel is formed using curved bending techniques, combined with warm integrated LED lighting, giving the space depth, warmth, and a refined atmosphere. Here is the fitness area. A one-piece stainless steel door frame is applied. Continuous stainless steel tube runs through the wall, expanding the sense of space, while maintaining structural continuity. A key highlight of our works is the custom stainless steel lighting slot system. All lighting slots are fully welded and electroplated. This level of craftsmanship can only be achieved by a few manufacturers in fashion. Oversized stainless steel wall niches are designed for gym equipment display. This area combines stainless steel, glass, and wood wall panels into a single integrated system. Brushed stainless steel concealed door with antique bronze finished, perfectly matched with the ceiling, walls, and wood flooring through extensive and systematic use of stainless steel. This project achieves a balance between structural safety, durability, and high-end design expression, especially for commercial and real estate developments.